researchers, specifically psychologists, struggled to understand how it is that normal people follow the orders of their superiors and perform these horrendous acts on innocent people. In 1961, Stanley Milgram, a psychologist at the Yale University, decided to engage in an ambitious yet extremely controversial study to examine this idea of conformity or following authority, obedience to authority. What he did was he recruited 50 participants, mostly white men aged 20 to 50, from New Haven in the US and the surroundings, divided them into several groups where he told them that they are the teachers and they are supposed to teach the learners. And the learners were basically non-existent, but he put the teachers on a chair and he told them that beyond the screen there is a learner, and their job is to examine and to train the learner in better memorization and better learning. And the way it worked is they mentioned a few items to the learner and they asked the learner to repeat them. If the learner succeeded, they moved further. If the learner failed somehow, forgot a word or misremembered a word, they zapped him. So they used what they thought was electrical shock to punish them and to better educate them. What Milgram found out was, and he published this, that all of the participants were comfortable, were okay with administering up to 280 volts, which mean pain to the learner. And they could allegedly hear the learner screaming beyond the screen. Even more worrisome, he discovered that 26 of the participants actually agreed to administer 400 volts and above. That was really lethal, and they knew about it. There was actually a label on the machine. This research was and still is extremely controversial because he didn't debrief the participants afterwards. So they kept on living with the thought or the disbelief that they actually killed or harmed the learners.